So Shanti, you revised up to yesterday class?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. And Sudhir, for you,
Yeah.
to which topic?
Continuing.
Okay. So Sudhir, आप to which topic you're doing?
भैया वो स्टार्ट करा भैया न्यू कंपनी का.
Okay, and one class and one company called you are doing, I mean, like global parameter something you told, right?
हाँ, global का parameter is completed.
Okay. So okay, for but for next class, please means practice more. Means try to do more practice. Okay. Proceed from that topic also, right? After global
Okay.
parameters. Okay.
Okay.
And also please update me. So today we will do the testing of EPP. Okay. Yeah. So there are six configuration of EPP, right?
Yes.
So you guys can note means you guys try to always this only 6 points are there and relevant kind of things in relation to bank automatic payment. So all 6 points always try to know. Okay.
रूम मिला भैया आपको.
Yes, 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 I got my room. But Wi-Fi is still I'm connecting with my mobile Wi-Fi also. But Wi-Fi I will have to arrange because data is limited. I actually, Sudhir, you also, Seventy has completed Inter CA, right?
Huh?
You have cleared Inter CA, right?
No, no. MBA.
Okay, but CA also you have attempted, right?
Attempt किया but no, I didn't get through.
Okay, so there are three levels, right, in CA. So
हाँ, correct.
you did up to which top means which levels? Intermediate, right? I think, or first level.
No, no. First level only I didn't get.
Okay, okay, fine. And Sudhir also, did you also uh, try for CA or
No bro. No.
okay, you are like me only. I also, I thought it is very tough, so I
But
did
much
not go to. So actually, that time success ratio was 2%, 1 point.
Yes, yes.
So that's why I actually did not. That time I was very scared of doing. But girls are very much. Girls' willpower
Uh,
is very strong. Even from UP board or Bihar board, one girl only topped. I think from UP board this time.
हाँ हाँ.
No problem. But SAP is also very good scope in SAP. But challenges will come in SAP also.
okay.
So many things they will give. Suppose if you guys are studying this is standard only, right? So mentally we need to prepare. They can give anything challenging also. You need not to scare. No need to get scared. Just we will do. Just we can ask give kit if anything coming. Okay. So I will tell you guys like how to deal those situation also. Okay. So see this one V1 like we are doing now. Yesterday we did single vendor. Okay. Automatic check
Yesterday
payment.
it was completed.
Yeah. Yesterday we did automatic check payment for single vendor, method one and method two. These two methods we tested yesterday. Today there are multiple vendors and multiple invoices. If will be there, then what we need to use? We can use this F110, which is very often used. Mostly this one is used in the companies to make the payment and to do the check printing, advice printing. Okay, and to do the vendor payment also this F110 is used because in big companies, big MNCs companies or big product based companies. Okay, so what do they do? They want to run this payment run, okay, payment posting at a single time. So for this, for multiple vendors, so for this is the transaction F110 they use, and they do their payment work, payment run they execute with the help of this. Okay, so now if I will tell, suppose yesterday I you guys told me like from consultant point of view, we do testing in the development sandbox client of the development system, right?
Yes.
From the business side, user side, suppose this F110, who will run this F110? From the business side, user side, I'm telling.
Users. Users.
Users will run in which system?
Reduction.
Production system, right? So now let us do, let us run this one. And let's suppose we are from consultant side, we are doing the testing. So we will do testing in the sandbox client of development system. So this one no need to write. So please try to understand this small scenario. Suppose there are three vendors. I will create with the name just for explaining. I have written V1, V2, V3. For first vendor, I want to before payment there should be some invoices. Means something has been purchased from that particular vendor. Then only payment has to be done, right? So first vendor invoice should be there. Okay. Once the vendor invoice purchase is done, vendor invoice posted in the system, then payment should be done. So for there, suppose in my example, there can be more than three. Multiple means it can be 10, 100, multiple. So I'm just explaining right now with three. Let's suppose vendor one. Vendor one, there are two amount. Let's suppose 1,20,000 and 1,80,000. Currency is INR. Okay,
Okay, bro.
and profit center I'm giving in the first line. See, vendor one 9,000 profit center and 1,900 profit center. 1,20,000 I will pay through SDFC. We have maintained two banks, right, in the system, SDFC and IDBI. Okay, and we have
Yeah.
maintained that in both the banks we have maintained two currencies. In SDFC we have maintained INR and SGD, and in IDBI also I have maintained INR and SGD. Right?
Hmm.
Correct. So you guys are connecting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So see this one lakh 20,000 we will pay through INR.
H.
Okay, and 80,000. Let's suppose V1 vendor. Okay, V1 vendor, for V1 vendor there are two invoices. One invoice for amount of 1,20,000, another invoice for amount of 80. Okay, when I'm paying to this particular vendor, system will take both the invoices amount. Okay, system will try to clear both the invoice amount. I want to block this one due to any reason. Okay, maybe there is some return I want to do. Maybe there is some dispute happened. Maybe there can be any reason, right? Okay, there is some issue regarding the pricing for this invoice, but I want to make payment 1,20,000 through our SDFC bank. But I want to block for the time being, for some time. I want to block this payment 80,000. There is some issue in this 80,000 invoice for this particular vendor. Okay, the first scenario you guys are understanding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now Second scenario is 97. This is vendor 2. 97,000. There is invoice of 97,000 that we need to pay in INR currency. Profit center is 1,000, and we want to pay through IDBI bank. Okay. There is third vendor. Okay, and for this amount is 2,000. This we want to make payment in SGD currency. Okay, and profit center is 1,100. This we will pay through HDFC in SGD. What I'm telling you is FBZP is the APP configuration in one report we can see. Come to bank determination. Okay, our company code is LI01. LI01 will take ranking order. Now see, we have two website. You can see HDFC and IDBI. Okay. Now if I will go to bank accounts, you please see for check transfer in HDFC, INR and SGD is maintained, right? For outgoing.
Yes.
Payment method C. C means check transfer. For bank transfer also, INR and SGD is maintained. Means in one bank, for check transfer payment method, there are two currencies maintained.
INR is
INR and SGD. USD not maintained. Okay. We can maintain USD also and other currency also as per the requirement. Okay. So this keeping in keeping in mind this thing, I am doing this one.
So, bro, at a time, different currencies, different bank account payment will be done in F110.
One time we can do, no problem. One can, if we have done the configuration in SGD and INR, we can use, we can run we can run APP F110 with these two currencies because we have in the backend.
Different bank also, IDBOD and HDFC
Ah,
at a time.
yes. At a time only I will do. At a time only
Okay,
it will be done. At a time only payment will be done through SDFC and payment will be done through IDBI at a single time.
okay.
Okay, and different currencies in different currencies also. That is the means advantage of this F110. This is very good transaction. Okay, so this one you guys no need to
Okay.
write. I will share this sheet. So now this one is done. Now let's start the testing. So please give heading. Give heading automatic payment programming in bracket for multiple vendors. Automatic payment programming in bracket for multiple vendors.
Bro, recording, huh?
Recording, yes, I think so. Yes. Let me check. Yeah. Recording started. Already 13 minutes complete. Yeah. Okay. So, automatic payment programming in bracket for multiple vendors. But you know what? I will share recording, no problem. But uh, see, try to understand in the class only and note down the notes only. So, no, please, I will request. Don't be dependent on the recordings. Otherwise, it will take more time. Getting my point? I will share recording, but if you guys again and again means try to be more attentive in the class, then it's single time you guys can understand. This is my means request, but I will share recording. No problem. Okay, so please give heading. Next heading. Go to FK01 and create vendor master. Go to
Vendor
FK01.
master.
Yes, go to FK01. Create vendor master. When I was studying, okay, so there were multiple batches going on. So everybody, even teacher also said, sit in the multiple classes to listen the same thing again. But I used to sit very attentive in one class only. So I never sat two times in
no.
one class. What I used to think, I will Means there is no, because I used to sit very attentive in the one class only, and I used to write. Suppose if teacher is telling anything important thing, I used to write only immediately. So like that, that was my thinking. Like, but other students used to sit like in multiple classes. But I
Ah,
thought that is the more time taking kind of. I'm very relaxed. Like if suppose I know another batch is going, I will be sitting very casual in my class. And in next class I know there is backup. So that's why that is my actually.
now did you started? Now did you started another batch also?
No, 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 no. I'm telling like when I used to learn this one.
Understood that. Understood.
So
I'm
that's why.
just asking.
That's so you guys also please means try to be more attentive in the class.
Sure. Yeah, yeah.
So FK01 create vendor master. So I am coming directly by T code. Give our company code. In my case, company code is LI01. Okay. Account group I am giving LSVS, which is service group. Okay.
Yeah, this was
Service group.
LSVS service group, company code LI01. Click enter. Same way, the way we used to create vendor master, same way I'm creating. Company, title company, and name Prita Services. So Prita Services, Services Private Limited. Okay. This one. Okay. So these address please try to fill street, house number, postal code, city, country, these details. As usual, we are just creating a new vendor master. Okay. So now,
yeah.
after giving these address details, click 4 times enter. Click 4 times enter. 2, 3, 4. We have come to this accounting tab. Here reconciliation account. Okay, click 4 times enter. After that, reconciliation account give 1502120 1502000. Okay, sort key 012, sort key 012, cash management group give.
अन्य को कभी हाँ रियल में अन्य वेंडर को कभी टिक होगा
Click 4 times enter. After giving the details, address to click 4 times
या
enter. Then reconciliation account 150,200, sort key 012, cash management group A1. Okay,
या
so next click enter. Then we'll come to next step. Here I'm giving L001, which we created new L001. Payment method give city.
कैश मैनेजमेंट
Even.
Payment terms, credit memo terms, L001, L001, payment terms, city. Okay, and we can save it. Save. So, we actually in our scenario there are three vendors, right? So we created
या
for first scenario we created Suprita Services Private Limited. This one we created Suprita Services Private Limited. I'm mentioning the short like name. Next one again we again write down next vendor creation. Next vendor creation. Same from FK01 only. Title company. The same way we need to, you can write down same way we need to create. Just name, you guys please change the name. The rest of the things will be same like previous. Name is Nava Nava Yuva. Excuse me. Nava Yuva Agents NCA NCA address Hyderabad, any Hyderabad address we can give. Okay.
It's clear.
Hyderabad is now very crowded, right?
Yes.
Very traffic like Bangalore.
वहाँ थोड़ा ठीक है सऊदी में.
Huh? What 70?
So,
Address same.
नहीं वहाँ वहाँ थोड़ा ठीक है क्या पूछ रहे हैं.
यहाँ पे दमम में
हाँ
यहाँ better
हाँ
better yes. Not like the big cities, but the capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, बहुत traffic.
अच्छा
But we are at the last near to Bahrain country, so there it's not so much traffic. But
हाँ
Riyadh
हाँ
is very rush. So Riyadh.
ओके ओके.
So this one, in the first address detail we will fill same way. Hyderabad location only address detail I'm giving. Okay, and now
ठीक है
okay.
ये.
uh, okay, you want to take calls? Please take, no problem. I will wait. Hello, should we continue? Continue करें?
Your voice is not clear.
Okay, अभी now.
Yeah.
Okay, so after filling the address, so same 4 times enter, click 4 times enter. 1 2 3 4, and same details you can write down. Put same details as in the previous, as we mentioned in the
Okay.
previous vendor. Just you guys you can make it like the same recon account I am giving. Okay, the same payment terms I'm going to mention here. Same payment method I'm going to mention the way we have done in the last lecture. Okay, so now second vendor also created. Second vendor we have created as yes. Now you are consultancy agency with me. Now you are consultancy agency here. Okay, and now let's you can write down next vendor, third vendor creation. Third vendor creation.
Yeah.
Okay, so title. Please write down title company name Chang Lee. Actually, this vendor we are creating from this vendor is based in Singapore, so please write down this one. Title company Bank Company PLC SLA Street National Street 56A postal code 520110. This one city mentioned Singapore. Singa- Please write down the address also, and country SG region 25, which is this only, right? Okay, and PO box. PO box. This one 12-31A. Okay, you guys are there? Hello.
It's bro, it's
Yes,
bro.
yes.
Okay, so you guys have written this one.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, so same. Now you can write down. Follow the same process like we have done for the first to second vendor. For the first vendor, you can write down. Follow the same process. Next, follow the same process the way we have done for the first vendor. Because I'm going to give the same record, same sort key, same this one, same payment terms, and same this one. Okay, now I can save it. Okay, so now CLC vendor we have created. CLC vendor created. So three vendors we have created. So now what we should do? We should have the invoice. For first one, there should
Questions.
be two invoice. Second one, this invoice. Third one for 2000 SGD. Okay. So let's yeah, post vendor invoice. Please give next heading. Uh, Post vendor invoice FP60. It's called FP60.
Okay.
Okay. So now, so I need to take Suprita, right? Suprita, first one.
Hmm. 15. 6200.
Okay. 62. That is 16. Suprita.
5. 9, 5.
15. Okay.
Hmm.
Suprita. Okay. And I will take today's date only. Okay. Please write down this one. Vendor Suprita. You can write down vendor number or in bracket Suprita. Invoice date,
Yes.
posting date, and this one reference KPP01. Okay. And amount was from the Excel. You can see 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay. Invoice posting. GL account, take any expense GL account. Here you can put star. You can see here 9,000 profit center, business area LHYT. Profit center, I will take 9,000. Okay. Okay. So now you can please write down these details. GL account 4,50,000, amount 1,20,000, profit center 9,000, business area LHYT. Okay. So now simulate and save. Simulate, simulate it and save it. Okay, so
PC will
uh,
9,000.
profit center
profit center.
9,000, 9,000.
Here not visible.
Okay,
See,
you can
9,000
start.
as per our plan. 9,000. This is 1,20,000. So I have posted in 9,000 profit. Okay.
Which is the interest?
Uh,
Expensive.
GL expense GL I have taken 4,50,000, which is advertisement. You can see the screen. See 4,50,000, which is advertisement GL I have taken. And just we need to check our APP. So any expense GL we can take. I have taken advertisement. You guys can also take any other expense GL, no problem. Profit
Hmm.
center I have taken 9,000. Okay, so now give now next invoice posting. Give a second second invoice posting, another invoice, post another invoice. For Suprita only we will post as per our Excel plan 80,000. Okay, so this one we will post. So let's fashion FP 60 vendor 15 58. I will give a reference APP 80,000 and invoice posting GL account where I will take. I'm taking here now another GL 43011 expense GL star as per our Excel 1900 we need to take business area LSYD profit center 1900 we will have maintain 1900. We have maintained 1900 also. Please write down these details. Edit details vendor master Suprita. Please write down Suprita also. Same vendor and this one. Uh, After that amount 80,000 and in the line item I have given one expense account 430,100 which is security charges and profit center 1900 business area eligibility. Okay, and template and export. So first vendor we have completed. Okay,
Yeah.
first vendor we have posted two invoices for 1,20,000 and 80,000. Now let's proceed to do the invoice posting for second vendor which we have now you are consulting agency for 97,000. Okay, so let's do this invoice posting. So please write down another vendor, another vendor, another vendor invoice posting, another vendor invoice posting. It will be 16,900 for your. Okay, P8 EPP 03 and then 97,000. Here we will give any expense account. Let's suppose I am giving 4 lakh expense GL account star LHYG and profit center I will give 1,000. Okay, so this one, this is the details I have taken. Next we'll see next invoice posting. Yeah, so now this one, let's simulate this one.
Yes.
So for second also we have completed.
Easy, easy.
Mm.
For second also we have done. So now let's move to third vendor invoice posting, which is in SGD currency we will post 2000 SGD in 1100 center. We will post this invoice first. So now again, please write down fourth one, another vendor. Did you guys mention in the previous now Yuva vendor? Another vendor in bracket, please write down now Yuva.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Good.
Okay. So now next one, another vendor, another vendor invoice posting. In bracket, write down Ch- uh, Changli Changli Brothers, Changli company. Okay. So again SP60, then I will take this one 17. Changli. Second one is now Yuva only, right? 15 was now Yuva only, right? S0 3 16.
Changli go.
No, Changli, yeah, 16.
Still is Naviva
16 was
only.
now Yuva only, right?
Yes,
Now Yuva
yes.
only. Okay. So let's move. APP04 reference. I will give this one invoice date posting amount 2000, but that should be in SGD, right? So here, please mention we need to change currency to SGD manually. Okay. Amount 2000, invoice posting. Take expense account. Any expense I'm taking 4,50,000 star. Okay.
You are
Expense
what
limit
the previous.
L. We need to select which business area. See, we need to select
Good.
LSGN, Singapore business area, right? Okay, LSGN. I'm selecting Singapore business area and profit center. Yeah, 1100.
1100.
Okay. So if system is accepted, so now please see if I want to see the exchange rates. Can you
Vendor code taken as 16 only.
it has taken 16. Okay, I need to change it to 17. Exactly. Okay, yeah. If you guys can tell me, please, if I want to see the exchange rate with SGD, how can we see?
Details. Payment tab. Payment.
Okay, very good. So please, so see
Payment tab.
payment tab. Okay, payment tab. Okay, this is SGD
Tax.
only. Nay, I write only details tab or okay.
Payment only should
Okay,
be.
okay. If you know
This
what?
is local currency only. SGD.
Yes.
Local country.
Yes. Otherwise, it shows the that exchange rate. Nee, but not local currency. See,
Local vendor.
LI 01.
Local.
If for this local currency is this one INR, right? This is not local.
Vendor is in Singapore only, no?
Vendor is in Singapore only, right? Correct. This is the reason. Yeah.
एक बार 16 करके देखो तो
16 years. So now
वो फील्ड ही नहीं दिख रहा ना actually।
हाँ, यहाँ पे local currency tab.
हाँ okay।
Amount in local currency will be this. But
but
earlier
it
it
is
was
non editable.
It's not
editable. This is exchange rate not editable. Amount is editable.
Um,
If suppose let me change it to 9999900, it is edited. I think the exchange rate also got edited when I'm mentioning the manually, the changing the manually. You see 49.7. No,
but
exchange rate is not
9.7
getting changed, but amount is
yeah.
getting changed. Amount is changing, right?
Hmm.
Now let's try with this Changli Singapore-based. Yeah,
it is
it is
showing 41.7
it is changing only because see company code currency is INR only. So for that this rate exchange rate is showing this is correct only. So now let me. So you guys have written. Please write down this.
yes done
Okay. So let's vendor is correct. SGD 2000 as per our plan. 1100 business area also correct only. Okay. Then document simulate it. Okay. Now what is the error? Balance in local currency INR is too large for automatic adjustment. Okay. In line item, here we have given the
Balance in local currency F1 is too large for automatic adjustment.
currency.
Bro, in local currency, you have changed the amount, right?
Where?
In local currency tab.
Okay. Okay, correct, correct,
Now it gives 99,400.
correct. You are right. You are right. You are right. Very good, actually. Already very much, good. So, so see now details you guys have written. So I'm just simulating and posting.
yes
So now we are ready with our all invoices. For three vendors, for first vendor, two invoices, for second vendor, one invoice, and for third vendor, Singapore based vendor, one invoice. Okay, so now please see the APP now we are going to do. Okay, so please write down APP payment for all three vendors. Please write down APP means automatic payment posting, automatic payment program posting, automatic payment programming actually, automatic payment programming, auto APP payment for all three vendors. Heading. Okay, please write down the path. You can write down the T code F110. T code is F110. Okay.
Yes, bro.
After that, please write down the path. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting. After that, AP, accounts payable. In short, you can write down AP, financial accounting, AP. After AP, periodic processing. After AP, periodic processing. After periodic processing, F110 payments. F110 payments.
Okay.
Okay. So now, please very carefully we need to execute this one. So today's date only let me because all invoices I have created with the today's date only. So double click on F110. 28.
Mhm.
Okay, give run date 28/04 2024. Okay. And identification, you can give any identification. Let me, I'm giving Dilip identification LAPP1. Okay.
Is this a random pick or
Sorry, क्या बोले?
ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैसे एंटर करना लाइक रैंडमली या एसएपी सिस्टम
नहीं नहीं,
स्टैंडर्ड कुछ है?
random, like according to our convenience, naming convention, we can give anything like
All the time it is alphabet only.
any alphanumerical one. Alphanumerical.
Again.
देखिए मैंने one में I have
LAPP.
given one also, right? One.
Uh-huh.
If I want 1 2 3 something, suppose 1 2 3. So
Okay. I
we
shall
can
work it.
give a complete numerical or alphanumerical according to our convenience.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So but I am
LAPP1.
selecting Dilip APP1 like that. Okay. So now
LAPP1.
APP1. You can
Random
give
था.
any other. It is not a standard. It is according to
Select
user.
menu lock it.
हमारे
अरे
convenience
ये
से we are giving. Suppose I want to do this 1 2 3 4. I can proceed with this one.
okay.
So let us proceed with this also later. So now, uh, after giving these two details, run date and identification, after giving these two details, but it's better now if I will give something EPP related name, right?
Okay.
So that's why
Yeah.
I am giving this. So run date and identification, give this, and after that, click on parameters. Here it will be remain as no parameters entered as yet. It will be up in the first tab. We need to give these two details, and then we need to click on parameters tab. Please write down. After giving these two details, click on parameters tab. Click on parameters tab. Then we have come to this new tab details. Here we need to fill LI01 payment method. Give C. Next payment date. What is the meaning of next payment date?
Future.
Yeah. Okay. It means payment run will be done next when it will be run next, right? Huh?
But now only we are paying, no? So is this a mandatory fee?
Which one? Next payment date?
हाँ, अभी पे कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग ये जो इनवॉइसेस पोस्ट करे थे.
Huh?
एक क्यों फिल करना नेक्स्ट पेमेंट रन डेट?
Yeah, yeah. So we'll see. As per the this one, uh, as it is written next payment date. Means it seems like it is telling when next APP run will happen. Something like that. It can be understood, but it is not like that. If I am
Still.
selecting, if the meaning of this date is suppose I am mentioning 29. So
हाँ.
APP will take 28 and 29 invoices. Date I'm telling. If I am
अच्छा.
mentioning
हाँ.
30,
In between those
payment
days.
run will take invoices up from 28 to 30. This is the meaning of next payment date.
So you mean to say the transactions which are falling due up to 30th April will run now as a part of the F110?
Yes, yes, yes.
30th వరకు తీసుకుంటున్నామా?
Whether it is due or not due,
Am I right?
if any invoice is there, yes, correct. If it is
Uh-huh.
due, yeah, yeah. If it is due up to 30th, it will this payment run will take that that invoices only.
Okay.
It is not means in interview they ask in F110
But
there
the
is
28th date is just a running date.
yes,
Sure.
28 is just running date only. So in interview they ask what is the use of this payment run when next payment date. So we need to tell like this only. Okay. So,
So you can put it as 29. Right?
no, no, let me proceed. The concept which I am telling, it system should
Okay.
accept 28 only.
इंटरव्यू में पूछे तो कैसे बोलना भैया क्लियरली?
Interview में like suppose next payment date means uh, here the date which if you, yes, we can say suppose uh, payment run we are doing on, let's suppose 1st of April. Okay. Now in next payment run if I am mentioning 5th of April, then from 1st to 5th all invoices, this particular payment run will take all invoices from 1st to 5th which are due. From 1st to 5th, system this payment run will take all the invoices from 1st to 5th because I am mentioning next payment date as 5th.
ओके.
Okay. If I am maintaining, if I will mention 2nd of April, then it will consider 1st and 2nd, like that. But the concept which I am telling, so it's just now we don't want to consider the 29th. Then I'm just checking whether system should accept or not. So let me just, you guys please write down 29 April.
Okay.
Please write down 29 only. 6 2. Now please write down vendor. We will give range from 15 to, from Suprita to now you are and this Shankly. So 2 series to 17, right?
ओके.
So it has
यस.
taken that also 16 also. Okay.
Bro, I have a doubt.
Uh,
So here the vendor is series continue is there, no? If series is not in continue, how to take
okay,
vendor codes?
multiple
Yeah,
selection.
we have to give the. Okay, okay.
Then we can put multiple
Multiple.
selection. Okay, next payment date we need to proceed 1 day later only. Minimum, when 1 day later we should go. But the concept which I am telling, you guys can Google also. This is the concept only. Okay. So see, and now Sudhir, your doubt. So
Yeah, yeah.
if we want, suppose in the sequence, if we don't, we want to exclude any particular vendor, or this case has come in case of GL also, we want to exclude, we want to exclude, so we can give the particular vendors. Suppose we want only 15 and 17, so we will mention 15 and 17. So 16 will be
Okay.
ignored. Okay. So now we want all three. So I'm not using the multiple selection option.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now please write down these details. All vendor, this one given. After that, click on additional log. Click on additional log tab. Okay. Click on additional log tab. So for this payment run, I want this payment run should check due date also. Okay. So for that, I need to activate this. I need to select this option, checkbox due date.
Next time, vendor code is
Click on additional log tab and this checkbox I'm selecting due date check. Okay. Payment method selection in all the cases. I want the payment method selection should be there, and line item for payment documents. This one also I want to select. Any like in detail, like you want to do F function key plus F1. So we will get for any like see the details. Indicator that due date checking should be logged for the open items. This indicator will help for due date checking. Okay. So like that we can go through the details also. Payment method selection in all the cases. Okay. Selection of the payment method should be there. Okay. So now this one is done, and now click on status
wait.
tab. Wait. Here I forgot one thing. In additional log, we need to mention the this one vendors again. We need to mention 16, 62 my vendor, 15 to 17. Okay, please write down. uh, Below accounts required, vendor vendor range again we need to give. Okay, and after that click on status tab, save data, click on save data, click on status tab, after that click on save data. Now you can write down, this new message has come with green bulb, parameters have been entered.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Parameters have been entered. Okay, so actually I forgot, like there are three things we need to run. First, uh, parameters, second proposal, and third payment run. Let me open a new F110 version F110. See, status, this one fine, this one checking, everything. See, now it is now that status, proposal, and payment are not showing, right? For this one.
Mm.
So once
Mm.
parameters we are saving, we are getting three things. Once the parameters we are completing, next we are getting payment proposal, and last one is payment
Okay.
run. Okay. After parameters, there are three things. And two things will happen. We need to do proposal and payment run.
So for next time, for other vendor, other same steps we have to take.
Like, see,
Next time for
new
other
invoice will be
vendors.
created for this one. So again, we need to do the identification from the beginning. This step we need to follow.
Okay.
Like from beginning, we need to follow. Okay. So this one is done. So after that, uh, click on proposal. Now you can write on the message, parameters have been entered. This message will come. After that, we need to click on the proposal. Click on the proposal. Okay. Start date, start time, you can see, and we need to tick start immediately. Tick start immediately. Click on proposal button. Okay. Start date, start date, start time, start date to today's date only, and start immediately. Select this start immediately. After that, click on continue or schedule. Click on continue schedule. Now you can see the green bulb is coming. So click, sorry, click on enter. Okay, so click on enter. So I told you guys, select start immediately. After that, continue and enter. Press enter. Click enter. Okay. So from yellow to it is converted to green. You can see payment proposal, earlier it was yellow. When I clicked on enter, it has been converted to green bulb. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you see, payment proposal. Earlier there were two options: payment proposal and payment run. See, this is very important. They will try to confuse us in the interview with the this F110 also. So in the beginning, there were only status option.
Mm.
Once we run the parameters we completed, we got the payment proposal
Proposal.
and payment run option. Once the payment proposal we completed, we have got payment run is there only, but we have got these three options also. What are these? Edit proposal, display proposal, display proposal now.
Okay.
Okay. So now what we need to do? We need to see the Now please write down. Just a minute, I'm getting one more. मतलब क्लास में है, क्लास में है, उधर में करेंगे, ठीक है। आधा घंटा में हो जाएगा। बट हेलो, हेलो।
Yes, bro.
Okay, see, so now we have got this document or proposal.
Bhaiya, I have one doubt, Bhaiya.
Which one? Bolli?
So now we are creating a F110 for three vendors, right? For three invoices.
Yes.
So tomorrow again, if we have to create F110 for this same vendors only
Okay.
for other invoices. So
Okay.
again, we have to start from status, or we have to direct give proposal.
No, see, because we cannot use this one because this identification uh, will be clearing these four invoices, right? This will be
Uh-huh.
already paid. F1, what actually F110, this F110 is a kind of payment run only, right?
Hmm.
Like
Yeah, yeah.
F-53. But this is F-53, but F-53 makes payment only for single vendor. But
Yes, yes.
F110 is making payment for
That's
multiple vendors, multiple invoices, and it is doing printing also at a single time for multiple vendors. So you guys please
okay.
understand. If once we have cleared the invoices, means invoices are cleared. Invoices are cleared,
Understood.
right? Right now we have
Yes.
four invoices, so invoices are cleared. So once invoices are cleared, so with the help of this identification and this run date is clearing that four invoices. So again we cannot use this one because it has already cleared the invoices. We if we again if suppose tomorrow if if this vendor will we will do business will do any transaction with these three vendors for new invoices, so that will be paid again through F110 from the beginning only. Then identification name we need to give any other name,
Mayuri Association మనం 10 పేజ్ చేస్తామా చేయాలి.
right?
Yes.
Because once we are clearing this, then we when again we cannot use the same identification because that identification is paying these four vendors. Again, if you want to do
Okay.
from the beginning, we need to do the this F110.
Another identification.
Yes. So now see, as per our requirement, as per our Excel, we want this 80,000 to be blocked. Okay. So in interview, they will ask in F110 how you can block, how a vendor. Suppose a vendor is having two invoices or four invoices. We want to block two or one invoice. How we can block? Okay,
How
okay.
you can
So
how you can block the invoices?
yes, see, in my case, for this Suprita vendor, Suprita vendor, we have two invoices, right? For one lakh twenty
Yeah.
thousand and 80,000. For one lakh 20,000, we want to make the payment. For 80,000, I want to block due to some issues there because of price or because of any defects in the goods. So I want to block 80,000 goods invoice amount. This one right now I want to block for time being. I don't want to make payment, but I want to make payment because see in F110 in parameters tab there is no option to filter with the invoice. There is option to filter with the vendor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, means I cannot filter with the invoice level. I can filter with the vendor, but for this particular 15 vendor, Suprita vendor, I want to make only make payment for one invoice only, not for the another invoice. Due to some there is some issue in the another invoice. So that is the reason I want to block that 80,000 invoice amount. So how we can do in F110? So please see, you can write down please. Click on edit proposal button. Click on edit proposal button. You can see here edit proposal button. Click on edit proposal button. Then continue. All accounting clerks radio button will come. Click on continue. All accounting clerk radio button will come. So click on continue or enter. Okay. After that you see new edit proposal window is opened with details. Edit proposal details window is opened. Okay. So we want to make. Huh?
Bro, once again, please. After click on edit proposal button.
Okay, let me come back for you. So see, you click on edit proposal,
Hmm.
and after that there is one radio button, all accounting clerks radio button,
All accounting tracks.
all accounting clerks radio button. We need to select this all accounting. It is all default selected, but you can write down select all
Hmm.
accounting clerks radio button and click on continue.
Okay.
Click on continue.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, as per our Excel plan, we want to make change in Suprita for 80,000. 1,20,000 we want to pass the amount, right? So double click on the this Suprita vendor. Double click on the Suprita vendor. Okay. Double click on the Suprita vendor, which is 62 series in my case.
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, this that Suprita was having two invoices. So now double click on 80,000 line. You can see the screen. Double click on 80,000 line.
Yeah.
Here you can see the invoice KRW 19 series 2. Okay. So double click on 80,000 line. Now you see a new small window, new
Yeah.
screen has come. So here payment block, I will do F4. So these are the options for to do the payment. So I will select block for payment. Okay. So in the payment block, select A, which is block for payment. B also we can select. So I am selecting
Okay.
B block for payment. Okay. Block for payment. Okay. Click on continue after that. Click on continue. Okay. Click on continue. After that, click on back button. This 80,000 is now black, now blocked. Click on back button. Now you can please see the screen and try to analyze. Earlier it was showing Subrita 2 lakhs green bulb. Now it is showing 80,000 as red. Okay, you can add the total amount. is actually 2000 was for Changli 2000 was uh, SDD amount. It is showing the exchange rate amount. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can add all three amount. It is 396. Earlier it was 400.
Acha, but as per our one thing, as per our scenario, we thought of for vendor two, we thought of paying my
IDBI, right? So yeah,
ID.
I'm coming to that. Please wait. So first vendor scenario is done. So
Okay.
yeah, that one I'm doing. So for second one, double click on 97,000, which is now you are double click on this. Now you are consulting agents vendor line. Please write down. Double click on now you are vendor line. Okay. So after that, again double click on line item 97 line item. Okay. So here see you can see here payment block option is there. I don't want to block. I want to relocate, right?
Hmm.
I want to relocate from HDFC to IDBI. Click on relocate. Okay. Click on relocate and then give payment method. See bank
Reallocate. Huh?
00 IDB 14 IDB 00. Okay. Three things only: payment method, house bank, and account type. You can see the screen again, please. Okay. Then click on continue. Click on continue, and same way, come back. Click on continue. Click back button. Now you see earlier it was SDFC. Okay. Now you can see in SDFC line it is 0. In IDBI it is 97,000. You can see it is selected. Okay.
Okay.
So now in third one we will do some one more thing in the Changli. This one. So double click on third vendor. Double click on 62 series Changli vendor line. Okay. Double click on 62 series 1789. After that, double click on this one, this line again 99, not again, double click on double line 400, this line. Okay. And cash discount, I want to give cash discount, means vendor is giving cash discount, so give in cash discount 1%, or directly we can mention the discount amount also. I'm maintaining cash discount 1%. Enter. So it is 20. Why 20? 2000 because
2000 into 1%.
so 20. It is calculating correctly. Enter. Continue.
2000 SGD. Yeah. Up to 99,400. అంటే SGD చూపించింది కదా పక్కన.
ఏసీడీ రెండు ఉన్నాయి ఏసీడీ ఉంది ఆయన
Yeah. So after that, continue. Come back. Now you can see total discount is also calculated. 20, 20 in SGD, 119 INR. So now we should proceed
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ SGD.
towards our payment. Okay. Okay.
అది లోకల్ కరెన్సీ.
SDI వచ్చింది మరి ఆయన ఇక్కడ మరి
ఇది ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కరెన్సీ. ఇది లోకల్ కరెన్సీ కాదు. లోకల్ కరెన్సీ ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి. వెండర్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ కరెన్సీ.
2000 ఎక్కడ ఉంది మరి ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ
రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది.
Okay. Now after this, come back, save data.
యాక్చువల్
Here
2000 ఇక్కడ
whatever messages have been saved, please write down save data. Save it and press back. Save it and click back button. Save it and click back button. Okay. Save it and click back button. And after that, we are okay. Now we should do the payment run. Okay. At last, you can write down. Click on payment run button. Click on payment run. Click on schedule payment run. Okay. So I'm clicking payment run. You can see here start date, today's date only, and select start date date. Start date, today's date only, and select start date date. Okay. And after that, start date, select start date date, and click on schedule. Click on schedule. This now please see the screen. Payment run is running. It is yellow. Now I will click enter, 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 enter. Now you can see the screen. Posting orders 3 generated, 3 completed.
ఓకే
Okay. Please write down also. Enter, enter, enter. 3 posting orders, 3 generated, 3 completed. Okay. So
Yes.
now if we want to see the report for all three, these all three should be clear. Let's see the FPL 1 and 2. FPL 1 and 2. 15 to
17.
okay. All items here. For Sukrita, 80,000 we did not pay, right?
Correct.
Is correct only. 120 we paid. System has paid. 120 we have paid through. See, document type is Z. It is also coming correctly. Now we need to see whether it has paid through SDFC or IDBI. So it is through SDFC with us. And now we have changed it to IDBI, right?
IDBI.
IDBI, how do we pay? It is IDBI only.
IDBI.
Submitted. And in the third one, we have got the discount 1% from the vendor.
INR చూపిస్తారు.
ఎస్జీజీ
SGD 2000.
ఎస్జీజీ చూపిస్తున్నా అట్లా
We can do the change layout and we can get that amount to local currency. No problem.
Yes.
So see now
Discount also.
percent discount is also discount receipt is also updated.
Correct.
So now as per our Excel it is done, but only vendor payment we have done. We should get check printing also and advice printing also from F110 from this particular run only. Okay, so now vendor payment we have done and verified also. Let's move to the check printing and advice printing. So we will go to same here. Okay, so now we have used this free selection. I will tell later. This is not very important. Like suppose I will tell you guys later about this one. But now parameters tab we have done, status tab, additional log tab we have done.
Now print out.
Print out
ఎక్కడ
and
ప్రింట్ అవుట్
we should. So you can write down. Click on print out and data. Click on out that data. Okay. And here, this program where we have maintained in APP configuration. See, this one we have maintained in APP configuration. These two we have
LUP,
not maintained anywhere.
LUP 1.
In F110, we have maintained
LAPP 1.
FA
Identification.
application. Just a minute.
In application APP program, payment method.
हाँ, फिर मेरा कंपनी कोड और कंपनी कोड में इसमें
नहीं zero का. Form data.
no, I think the previous step was country. Let me country detail. This one is there. Country details.
नीचे आओ नीचे
This one मेरा
नीचे.
program. Yes, this one. Use
Program.
program.
Do you upgrade this?
Application.
Here is the link. Okay. So payment method. This one use classical
ఇక్కడ కూర్చో.
program. This is the payment method. Okay.
Yes.
To this payment return program, we will assign the variant. Okay. So in the variant, I'm just please write down. I'm giving L Philip H D F C A S D F C A, and I will click on the maintain variant. Variant is not maintained. I'm going to maintain right now. So please write in the variant tab beside besides this one.
Program.
Yeah, beside this program, LSDFCA, and click on maintain variant. Please write LHDFCA, click on maintain variant. I can give any other variant name also, no problem.
So this also random one.
Random one, yes. Okay, so after giving this variant name, click on. But I have given to this line RFFOUC. You please write down that. So we should not mention here first and second. I'm mentioning okay here only
Okay.
beside this one. So now click on maintain variant. Okay. Click on maintain variant.
Variant not been created for program.
SDFCA. Yeah, it is not created. We want to create. Okay. Okay. I'm giving LHDF. Okay. LHDF randomly anyone. And after that, we need to select for all selection stream. Please write down. Uh, click on maintain variant. After that, new small window is coming. Select this ready. Select. Please select this ready
ये
button.
which technique कहाँ से आप variant self create करे थे क्या आप पहले?
The variant I give. Okay. LHDF. This one, let's suppose I'm giving C. We need to click on maintain variant. Then it will come. Okay.
Okay.
So actually, abhi this time that pop-up is not coming. So let me change that name again. See, randomly any variant name I'm giving. After giving variant name beside this RFFOU underscore C, I'm clicking on maintain variant. Okay. So that option, all I need to select. I need to come back. So now that is not coming. LSDF1. That is not coming. But no, I don't think for all sessions. I don't think that is required.
Your voice is not
Not clear?
नहीं पूरा टाइम क्या हो रहा?
Okay, maybe network issue or something. Now it is okay.
हाँ better.
So you can write down,
We
no
need to
problem.
create variant क्या अभी?
Yes, yes. No, yes, variant we are creating. Yes. You can write down, click on maintain variant. After that, you can write down,
Hmm.
click on maintain variant, then write down, proceed with select for all selection screen radio button. Select for all selection screen radio button.
कहाँ है वो?
वो आया
Sorry.
था अब now it is not coming. That time that was coming, but now it is not
अच्छा.
coming. But you write down, it will come. Let me come
Okay.
back on the beginning number. So this one. So if I am coming here, HDF one D. Okay. For all selection screen radio button means after clicking on maintain parent, select for all selection screen radio button. Okay. And click on continue. After that, click on continue. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on continue. After that, see, give paying company code LI01, pending company code LI01. Okay. Payment method C, business area LHYD, house bank HDF 00, HDF EA, account ID HDFCA, account number 1010. Okay, print check, payment, print payment advice, print summary, printer I want to keep LP01. Okay, print immediately. Okay, number of sample, 2 sample printouts, number of sample printouts keep it as 0, and number of items in payment summary 4 times 9. Okay, do not void any checks, do not void any checks, select this radio button. Okay, that's all. This much here we need to write. You can see the screen open. Okay, after that,
No, wait, bro.
okay.
Here, huh?
Okay, so now after that we need to please click on attributes. You can see below edit variant there is attribute.
Bro, this print is only for HDFC.
This one is only for SDFCs. For IDBI we need to again maintain another variant. Maintain. Next step we will maintain for that also. Right now we are only doing for SDFC. Okay, so now click on attributes. Click on attributes. Okay, and here give variant code. For SDF1 delete we can give Dilip
I click on HB.
HDFC
Attributes.
check payment. Dilip HDFC check payment and simply save it. Now variant SDF1 save. Okay, come back.
Hmm.
SD1 SDF1 save. Come back. Now
Hey, click on attribute is not there.
Save.
simply save it.
Description where
Description name and save it.
variant declaration where declare mana atla description ఒకటి ఇచ్చి save.
Video description.
Delete HDFC check payment.
Okay, so now I will give IDB1. I will give IDB1 and I will click on. Now please give. You can see next to right side of SDF1. Give IDB1. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and click on maintain variant. Click on maintain variant. So you can write down same as above. You can write down same as above. Only in housework and account ID, you guys need to give IDPI. You can see the screen. You can write, please write down same as above. Only change house bank IDB 00, account ID IDB 50, check loud 2010. Remaining as above. Please write down same as above. Only change house bank. Only change house bank IDB 00, account ID IDB 50, check lot number 2010, and same as ever. All you guys can write only these 3 points. Same as ever. LI01, LI01, nationality,
Hmm.
lot number, print, print, number. Okay.
Triple nine. Come down. Do not provide. Click on attributes.
Yeah. Click on like attributes. You can write down. Click on attributes, and here we need to give Dilip
Delete
IDPI
check
IDPI
payment.
IDPI check payment. Okay, and save it. Save. I don't save it. Come back. Now you can see for this program we have assigned 2 variants. Successfully we have assigned, right? SDFC and
Yes.
IDPI. Okay. So now click on status tab. Click on write down. Please write down. Click on status tab. Save data. Save data. Click on status tab. Then click on save data. You can see these 2 variants saved successfully. Okay. So after that, you can see printout option has come. So click on printout. Click on save. Click on status tab. Then click on save. Okay. After that, click on printout. This one printout option. Printout button. Okay. Click on printout. Start immediately. It is a background job. Okay. So here we can for our randomly we can here also we can take anything like Dilip. I will write Dilip like a typewriter. Okay. Job name, background job name, and current schedule. Print job. This one with this name F110, this one has been scheduled. Okay. Can you tell me where can we see the jobs decode, background jobs, which suppose I have printout happened in the background, where we can see decode. I can go
SM
SM, correct. SM
SM37.
SM35 I think. System on pull request. Okay. So
Okay.
see this one 28, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6.
6.
Okay. So now let me go by this is SM35 only.
Okay.
Slash m SM30.
Actually, control में कुछ तो चूसी होगा.
This is not SM35.
डेवलपर्स ज़्यादा करते हैं.
SM35 is batch, I think. This one.
Execute.
This is job only. You can see right, this 28/4 we have run the background job, right?
Yes.
So these all details coming. This one is our printout form, right? Which we have mentioned, we have
Right.
given like, so school, this one RFF.
Final one.
uh, we can come from system or own school request directly, or we can come to SM37.
Yeah.
Take the settle background job. Okay. So now suppose I'm coming from system to own pull request. Okay. Select job.
नीचे होगा. Come down.
No, ये तो this one is very old one. This one,
हाँ
and
हाँ.
this one is our latest one only. So I will select this one. Okay, and display contents.
No.
नवे
No.
वहाँ कंसल्टिंग.
Just give me a minute. This one, check payment. This one, payment.
Payment summary, payment advice.
But check we need to see, right?
Hmm.
Not able to see the check. You getting my point? Check
Yeah,
printing.
yeah.
Check printing is completed.
Waiting.
You should see the check also, right?
Status is showing as waiting, no? So do we need to wait or refresh करना है क्या?
You are correct. We can refresh. Now, suppose I'm selecting this check payment. This should not come like this. So, one moment. Select. Okay. Okay. Actually, I have taken the wrong way. This one, system services, job overview. This one only I have come right. Execute system. execute this one. F4.
नीचे नीचे
ट्वेंटी मिनट में और
This one,
पूरे
right?
उधर क्यों जा
हाँ it is still showing as scheduled only.
मौका फिनिश
Well,
GL push to schedule.
click
अच्छा
on
हाँ
pull request.
school list
Mm-hmm.
हाँ two variants we got no नहीं specs details
But that is taking. Okay, correct. No, no, no.
no no wait wait
Print specification.
print specification
Select job, click on school button. Why this should be done? Oh, it was waiting, I think. Yeah. Sorry. Actually, that was refreshing and system was taking time. See, we have
yeah
chosen everything, right? Now
correct
it is printed. So 1,20,000 is printed correctly. For Sukrita's check is printed.
yes
Okay. And this one is uh, payment advice for Sukrita. Payment advice. This one is printed. Now let's see why only this one. Let me refresh.
28 में फाइन आ गई हाँ 28 0 जोशी but what are the about transactions 28
This one 28 only, right?
no above also there are 28 start date is there no
Yeah.
but all our hours only
Payment actually payment also done in the background only, right? We did not pay manually, right? Like
uh,
I did not mention that also done in the background. So that is better that.
इन ARFC जो जॉब schedules है ना इस वो
Which one?
अब
Yeah, these ones.
हाँ
These ones some are very technical thing, not functional thing, which is happening in the back end only. These things are happening. So
ओके
we will not be asked these things from now.
अच्छा ओके
So now system on pull request. Directly let me come. Now see this one we have check payment. We have seen for 97,000 and now see 97,000. It is coming IDBI only, right? It is also correct.
यस
You remember we changed from for now you are
HDF हाँ हाँ
IDBI. So it is now you are only. It is also correct. And this one 15 1,20,000 is okay only. INR. Okay. So, okay. So Changli is not has not come, right? 16 is coming.
हाँ
Now UI
नहीं
is
नहीं
coming. Now UI is coming. And then this one, it is also coming. Uh, this one is also coming. IDBI one, right? No, no, not IDBI one. 1,20,000. Sukrita also coming.
करेक्ट
But Changli, why Changli is not coming?
सिंगापुर सिंगापुर नॉट हियर
Singapore is not coming. Let me check. Okay, 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 okay. You know why Singapore did not come?
हाँ
Maybe we did not change the currency when we are maintaining the this one. Let me go to this first. Just a minute. Maybe currency we have not. Maybe if there is currency option. we should have given that SGD, because we are only INR currency has accepted in SDFC. That is in SDFC only. Somewhere, anywhere, currency option
Yeah, currency is there above.
where.
Here only, where in the चेक लॉट नंबर के बाद तो है ना उसके बाद
Okay, so let me give INR, and also let me give multiple selection SGD,
SGD.
SGD, and save it. Save, multiple selection done, and now this is done. Now let me again do the printout. Delete, zoom करके printout done. System, excuse me, system on pull request. Okay, 28. It is showing same 1611. It is showing previous only. It is not showing new only. So, so what I can do in this case, for Changi it is not accepted, right?
हाँ हाँ
For that it has not come. So let me do one thing. Let me create one variant. This, all these windows I will close. So printout, okay, and let me create one variant. IDBI work is done, no problem. Maintain variant, okay. So let C LI LI01 LI01, okay. House bank SDF00 SDFCA. Check lot number 1010 only. Currency SGD.
चेक
Save.
चेक चेक
Huh? Check lot number of given. Business area
हाँ
best ready. Okay. Printer LP 01 LP 01 0, and
attribute
do not void, yeah, and then attributes give SDFC SGD and save it. Now let's come back to this one, save data,
status
and do the printout SGD, continue. Okay, system,
system
system. It is not taking. It has taken only INR currency printout. It has accepted, but it is not accepting that one. Okay, but I think that SGD option when you give, so then it should accept. Like in the first run only, since it's I think the first run is completed, that's why it is not accepting any other, any other run. So if you
फर्स्ट
guys,
वाला ओपन करना भैया अगर हाँ बैक आ जाओ
okay,
ये फर्स्ट वन हाँ पेमेंट एड हुआ है
this is payment summary, only summary. This one,
अच्छा अच्छा
3,97,000. IDBI,
ओके
all payment summary details. Okay, so you please, if you guys will practice it, so please try to give without an ATM, we
Currency.
have to give
Hmm.
currency as it is. Okay. Okay. So now I think we have reached up to this point
Mm-hmm.
in this call. Next class we will study bank transfer with APP. Okay.
सॉरी आपका आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रहा नेक्स्ट क्लास
Next class we will study bank transfer with APP.
ओके
Okay. So for today, it's okay.
विथ एबीपी